Alright guys, it's me. Maybe. Yeah, we're good. Alright, it's me. We're doing a quick unboxing of a dash cam, the VIOFO the A119 version 3. Yeah, we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna set it up. Packaging, no, it looks good. Device is in a bag in the styrofoam. I'm assuming there's something else in here. Yes. Ooh, lots of shit. We got some stickies for cable management. I'm assuming it's got little clips, so I'm assuming that's what it's for. We got more stickies for something else and some string. All right, interesting. Oh, this is a big power cable. Ah! So we got USB on one end, a USB-A, I guess, and then this old ass, not micro, what is it? This bullshit, you see it. And we got some literature. Also have a AC, I think it's 12 volt, 5 volt, whatever it is. I already have one in here, so I'll probably just unplug my GoPro, which I'm using as my current dash cam, so I don't need that. More cable management shit and another shorter cable. This is gonna be a pain to set up. So here's the device. That's what it looks like. So obviously it is gonna stick to the car like this. So it'll be like, I mean, I'm not gonna mount it like back here, but just so you guys can kind of get it. And the screen kind of faces me. I'm not exactly sure where I'm gonna put it yet. I might just throw it up somewhere for now, and then just kind of tinker with the right spot. And I'm gonna have to figure out how and where to run the cable. But I guess we can unplug the GoPro just to kind of excuse me, figure this thing out. Oh, does it take two cables? It's got one spot up, oops, here, and then one right there. This says it's the GPS module though, so maybe I need like extra power to that. Like I said, I'm not sure. Never used this product before. So now it's plugged in. We got some lights, so we're going to turn it on. Nice, okay. And one of these for you guys. Why are you beeping? Shh. Stop! Stop beeping! Please insert micro SD card. Okay, I don't have one of those. I do also have this. Alright, we're unplugging it for now. It's a polarizing filter for the lens. I'm gonna pop this open. And my dad said he included an SD card in here, but I do not see it. So I'm going to have to figure that out. And I'm assuming this just pops on there. Put that there. I guess we'll turn this on to make sure that it's actually polarized and make sure it looks good and not completely blacking out the screen. Shut up! I guess, yeah, that looks fine. Menu, let's see. So for the resolution, how do I control this? So here's what the menu looks like. It's not touchscreen. There are no buttons on the side. Oh, there we go. Oh, I see. So you use the menu and or not the menu, the mic and the record button for up and down, and this middle button to select. Resolution options are 2560 by 1600 at 30 FPS, 2560 by 1440 at 30, 2304 at or 2304 by 1296p at 30 FPS, 1920 by 1080 at 60 FPS, 1920 by 1080 at 30 FPS, 1280 by 720 at 120 FPS, 1280 by 720 at 60 FPS, and also at 30 FPS. How do we go back? I think for right now, I'll probably just set it at 1920 by 1080 at 60 FPS. So I get like nice smooth video, but it'll also won't be massive file sizes. The bitrate, you can have it either high, medium, or low. I'll probably just leave it at medium for now and see how it goes. Loop recording, your options are off: 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 or 10 minutes. I'm just going to leave it at 3 for now. Video format is either TS or MP4. I'll just leave it at MP4. You can also adjust the exposure. I'm just going to leave it set to what it is. Leave that off. Parking mode. So you can have it detect what's going on around you. So if there's movement, it'll start to record. Otherwise, you can have it do time lapses at different FPSs, 1, 2, 3, 5, or 10 FPS. Low bitrate recording. I'm just gonna have it on the vent detection. Parking G sensor. Don't know what that means. Not gonna read the manual, so I'm just gonna leave it on middle. Park motion detection. I'm gonna leave it on middle. Time-lapse recording, I'll probably just leave that off. Motion detection on. GPS, I'll leave that on. Speed unit, miles per hour. G sensor, low is fine. Date, I don't know, my GoPro's kind of stupid. Date and time today is, what day is today? Today is August 13th, so that is 13/8/2020. It is currently 12:41. Time zone, I'll do that later. God, this beeping is annoying. Languages were in English. Beep sound. Off. There we go. Frequency, you can have it at 50 or 60 hertz. Not exactly sure. I'm assuming that's probably for the GPS or something. I'm just going to leave that at 50. Image resolution. Oh, sorry. Rotation. Leave that off. And then you can format it. Car number. There's... Oh, I think it's for your license plate. So I'm just going to go back. I don't need that right now. Custom text stamp, don't need. And then a option to update your firmware. So I guess that's the initial overview. I need to get rid of my GoPro. Take out the SD card. And insert it right there. Hello? All right, she's in.
Let me see the box for the dash cam.
I couldn't find the SD card, so you're gonna have to just ask my dad for the one that he was gonna give me. And I gotta see if I can reformat the SD card quick. Format. Okay. You wanna help me set this up real quick? Like run the wire?
Sure. Where's the wire gonna go?
That's what we're gonna figure out. So I got the camera installed. This wire I still need to fix, but we ran the other wire around my car. I'm gonna go home, get Danielle, we're gonna go out and do some shit. So I guess this is gonna be the part of the review where we see how the camera performs. I might mess around with a few different settings. But yeah, I guess that's it for right now. Peace. Alright guys, so once you download the Dashcam viewer software right here, it'll bring it up and it will look something like this. It opens in a bunch of different windows, so it's kind of fucky, but that's okay. The only reason it's like bad on my computer is because I got the ultra wide, plus I got the OBS on my other monitor, so it doesn't like when you like tab out a lot. But we're just going to drop and drag this one, sure. Let it load. We will pause this. We will get the rest of everything over here so you guys can see it all. So this is what it looks like with everything, with all the like the different elements and everything on the computer. So you see up here, it's got the date. I don't know why it says Thursday twice, but I guess that's very important. August 13th, 2020. It's got the time, my speed. I'm not sure what this is about. And then, you know, the generic shit, the name of the file. It records 3-minute videos, and then it ends them. Date and time again. Again, the speed, the model of the camera. Here it will show your speed, distance, excuse me, and the bearing. Down here it shows again your speed and your directions and the weather. Interesting. The date, and then the compass again to show your direction. Here it's got a map of the 3-minute recording that it took. So as you can see, I had started here on 59 and then turned down to 164 and took that all the way down. And then I'm sure you want to see the actual footage, so we'll get to that right now. It does record audio too. And it is stretched a little bit just because of how I've got it all laid out. It doesn't actually look like that. It probably looks more like that realistically. Sorry about that. I got interrupted. Let me drag all the elements back over real quick. So like I was saying, it was just kind of smushed because of how I had everything all stretched out. The quality is pretty good. You can zoom in, so you can get like license plates if you're in like a hit and run or whatever. You can also zoom very far out, which I guess is kind of useful. So we'll zoom that back in. And then just like to get a idea of the zoom quality, like you can see the license plate there. You can see it here. And then you can also click and drag. So this one, 155 PN something. It's not horrible, but it's not the best either. I mean, that one's 197 DSW. You can also like, oof, too much. Kind of read the sign. It says Coast Car Wash. But yeah, no, it's pretty cool. And then I'll skip in a little bit so you can kind of see the speed and everything up here and the directions. You can also watch the map update as I'm going. And I don't want to incriminate myself, so the speed is accurate, unfortunately for me, but it's okay because I was just doing it for an example of the video. See, I'm 10 over right there, but it's okay because, again, it was just to show how accurate the dash cam is. So yeah, we'll leave it at that. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's been me, dayplays.com. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun shit. Hit the notification bell. And I will see you guys next time with whatever I upload next, when I upload next, if I ever upload next. So, yep, that's it. See ya.